Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today we are celebrating quite a few birthdays. In second grade, Anthony Horta, happy birthday. Christian Ariano Jaimes, happy birthday. And Eusebio Para Bencourt, happy birthday. You guys make sure you stop by my office tomorrow to pick up your gifts, because today I will be testing in my office all day and I won't be able to give them to you. But please come by tomorrow. Remember that Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And make sure that you'll remember that when someone is speaking to you, keep your eyes on him or her at all times. So, just a reminder, today's Tuesday, you're going back to your second block. Take time to look at your uniform. You should be in perfect uniform, but you could be wearing some crazy socks. Speaking of crazy socks, today is Tacky Tuesday. Wear holiday headgear and festive socks. So if you see me, I have some pretty cute Santa socks on. And tomorrow, please wear white or blue. Then Thursday, anything that sparkles or glitters or shines. And then festive Friday, wear your pajamas and fuzzy socks. A few announcements. The lunch monitors have been telling me you guys have been doing an amazing job cleaning up your tables after lunch. They have links to Dojo, so they will be also giving you points. So make sure you're cleaning up and holding each other accountable. We had 27 scholars out on Monday. That is not good. That means we only had 96% attendance. We did not meet our goal of 97.5. But I have some good news. We are doing daily raffles. So that means every single day, if you're here, your name gets entered in a raffle and you will get your present. So listen up this morning, because they're going to be calling names, and tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. Please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Keep in mind your Sunday party on Friday so that you can keep your brain 100% engaged in class. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA group me. And let's try to hit ADA today and tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. Have a great day.